The people of Nchatancha Nike Community in Enugu East local government area of Enugu State have cried out over what they described as forceful acquisition of their ancestral land by the state government for the proposed new Enugu City. The people, numbering thousands, protested around markets and village squares within the agrarian community. They were carrying placards with various inscriptions such as "Our house and land are not for sale," "Nchatancha Nike life matters," "Enugu State government, leave us alone." Men, women and children were seen chanting, "This is an abomination. Government has taken our land. All we have is gone. Nchatancha community is finished. We shall not agree. Let the governor hear us. Hunger will kill us," among others. Speaking separately, some members of the community said a large expanse of land covering 240 hectares has already been given to the state government for the proposed new Enugu City. They wondered why the government is insistent in rendering them homeless, as over 500 houses have been marked for demolition. They appealed to Governor Peter Mba to be compassionate and rescind the state government's decision.
There are right now about 50 caterpillars there, demolishing our community, both people's house and crops, everything. On 14, the military shoot the little tear gas and they shot some people, but none of them died.
Every time can je bakwa ana ma nwuji anwu adoji mondo oda mu noji anwu gom amo mebe m ga-ekwu maka m we na ụmụ m anyị ga-amụta every time abịago m yo pitamba na government house nya hapụrụ anyị obodo anyị na-enwere ebe enyere ha nya were ebe ha shimba.
My name is Anike Samson Benjamin, Assistant Secretary of Nchatancha Nike Community. Nchatancha Nike Community, we are not happy on what the government of Enugu wants to take 80% of this community land without the consent or land acquisition of this community and the government. We don't agree. You have seen the crowd, almost 91% of the community were here.
The problem I'm having is that from nowhere my house was marked S and given number. No notice, nothing.
Reacting to the development, the State Commissioner for Information, Aka Aka, said the government is not taking over anybody's land. According to him, the interest of the state government is to harness land in the state to the advantage of its people.